Hi, welcome. What have I done today? I bought an Alpha Capital account, and I'll tell you why now. So I had a discount code allowing me to buy any 10k account with Alpha Capital for just $40. So about 30 odd pound. So why not? Let's have a look what we got. So a few different options available with Alpha Capital, and we'll go through the basics now. Okay, so as you can see, they have 3 different variations. They have a 1-step, a 2-step, and a 3-step account. Each changes the stats down here of what you need to gain. So we'll have a quick look at the 1-step, 10k, Alpha 1, leverage 1 to 30, profit target 10%, maximum drawdown 6%, daily drawdown 4%. What else have we got? And that's about it, really, isn't it? 80% profit split. We go to the 2-step account here. You can have a look at step 1. You can see the leverage is increased to 1 to 100 straight away, giving you possibility for more margin. Should you trade multiple assets, more assets. Your target is 6% on phase 1, with max drawdown 6%, daily drawdown 3%, and then you go on to phase 2, which is 6%, 6% and 3% again, and then you qualify. So that's quite a good option as well. You can also do a 3-phase account. These are all 10k still, where the leverage becomes 1 to 50, so somewhere in between the 1 and the 2. Your target now is 8%, then 4%, then 4%, with a max drawdown of 6%, 6% and 6% each time, and the max daily drawdown, so the most you can lose in a day, 4% on each of the phases. So it all depends on your trading style and what you're looking for, to be honest. So all of them are quite good options. I quite like them. I've gone for the phase 1 step, which admittedly has a higher single target of 10%, and a max drawdown is 6%, but that doesn't really worry me too much. And a max daily drawdown 4%. The way I trade, I set 3 trades maximum and then come off and only trade 1 asset. So even though I was to do 1% per trade, I won't be hitting the daily target within a day. Obviously, it would only take a couple of days to upload the account doing that much. But that's the maximum I could trade with how I trade. And then as you can see, it's $97 here. We'll click through and it confirms the details down here. And so we got 1 phase, Alpha 1, 10k. You can trade on C Trader. Any other options to consider? No, that's about it, I think. We can enter a discount voucher here, which I will type in now. It might not be valid at the time of when you view this. 10k for 40. There you go. So after entering a discount code, which they emailed me, 10k for 40. I don't know how long this code will be valid for, so don't expect it to work if you're watching this video. But this is the reason I bought this account. As you can see, it's only $40 now. There you go, you have to agree to all the normal terms and conditions. And that's it, and then we'll get started. I was wondering where that screen was. As you click next here, you can also select these options here, allowing you to choose between raw spreads or no commissions, whether to use an EA or no EA. On this particular account, I'm going to go for raw spreads because I'll be trading a lower time frame. Setups around about the 5-minute time frames. So I think raw spreads might be nicer, and knowing that I have a fixed commission per turnaround. Whereas some of my other accounts I have no commission and slightly wider spreads. It's nice to have the option. As long as you know which one you've got, it doesn't really matter. And that's it. So we're going to buy that account now. So as you can see, here's our brand new shiny account. 10k, unused, ready to trade next week. Just having a quick scroll through the dashboard here to see what information we have. We have the usual graph showing your trading activity, profit target in progress, maximum days, maximum daily loss, all the sort of stats that we just went through. Let's have a look. So we're on 10k. There's nothing to report yet on this account. It does have this nice calendar setup here, which I do like, where you can see each trade on each month. In fact, if I go to one of my other accounts, I'll show you what that looks like on an active account. Okay, so this is one of my other accounts with Alpha Capital. It's a 10k account again, just to show you what it looks like when you're on the dashboard and you've had some activity on your accounts. As you can see, we're slightly in profit at the moment. We're about 2% up, I believe. Yeah, 210. It's a 10k account, so about 2% up. Not passing it, obviously, because you need 1,000. Daily loss is fine. We've reached the minimum number of days. And that's just what it looks like from here. But what I wanted to show you was when you scroll down more to the calendar area, show you the feature there. It's really cool. You got some of these stats here which you can analyze. Look through. Looks like I've taken 64 trades so far on this account. My win rate's 41%. Best trade $211. Profit factor, expectancy, etc., etc. And we're currently 2% up on this account as well. And it looks like we were 4% up at one point. But that's fine. This is what I wanted to show you now. It's this calendar layout, which I think is really, really cool. I've seen it on some other places. I think Top Step have similar setup. I wish all prop firms did, just because it looks really cool and you can see exactly what's happening. So as you hover, these are the previous month, as you can see each day, it shows you how much you made or how much you lost. One thing I would like would be a weekly total at the end here or over this side, just so you're not trying to manually add these up in your head. It does have a yearly view, or we're looking at in a minute. So as you can see, 113, and we lost 106, and we gained 146, and we gained 66, so quite a good week. That week looks like it was not so good. We lost 100, then we lost 50, then gained 15. And that week was lost 100, gained 183, so a kind of break-even week. And then the more recent week, lost 50, gained 57, lost 150, gained 100. So kind of a little bit break-even at the moment, to be honest, but that's okay. Let's have a look what that looks like on the yearly view. There you go. So that's actually quite good. I quite like the yearly view as well. It shows you the total for each month. Yeah, it'd just be nice if it had each week at the end of the monthly view. But can't have everything, so that's quite cool. As you can see, March we had a losing month. In April we had a winning month. And May, which we're just about to finish, was also a winning month. So far we're doing okay on that account. There you go. And that's it. So we've got a few accounts with them. And to be fair, I'm quite happy with everything I've seen with them. We trade on CTrader with them, which is a great platform in itself. We could show you that briefly. Okay, so this is our account now on CTrader. We're running on the app because I find CTrader on the web version to be a bit clunky and a bit slow. So this is a fresh account. So as you can see, it's got the CTrader logo and all sorts of stuff going on. You can clean all this up to your own preference. Then trading, once it's all set up, is pretty simple. You can place, let's move that over there. You've got this option here to move the forward leader over. And then you can place trades using this setup here. Maximum risk. And then as you can see, it's a £50 risk on this particular one, but if you just right click and go to the settings, you can alter your risk here. So it's a 10k account, so you wouldn't want to be risking more than $100, which is 1%. So you're getting a bit frisky then. So, and then you can extend that, your stop loss to wherever you want, and it will maintain a $100 risk per trade. And then you set your TP, and then you quite simply, to place a trade, you can click on your setup here and just click buy. I've got it set to see the two little green ticks there, so I have to double click. If I only single click, it won't do it, so I can't accidentally place orders. But if I double click, it'll place an order. That's it. So that's how you trade Alpha Capital accounts using CTrader. And that's it, just a quick overview really of Alpha Capital, because they've got some offers going on and I've got a few accounts with them now. I've had all but good, everything's been good experience with them so far, to be fair. And that's what you end up with, so hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.